One morning, you wake up to 327 unread messages. That's already terrifying, but then you notice something worse. You've been added to a group chat called the 0.001%. You assume it's a scam. Then you check the members, CEOs, investors, people who accidentally buy islands. Your sleep disappears instantly. The messages keep coming. One billionaire writes, "Buying." That's it. No explanation. 300 people react. Another message appears. "See you all in 6 months." Someone replies, "Already bought it." You have absolutely no idea what they're talking about, but somehow everyone else does. You scroll up, older messages. One says, "By the time it's on the news, it's already over." 2,000 reactions. Another says, "Retail will arrive next." Everyone reacts with laughing emojis. You don't like that at all. Your heart starts racing. So you finally type, "How do I become rich?" The chat instantly goes silent, seen by 843 people. No reply. 5 seconds pass. 10 seconds. Then a typing bubble appears. One message arrives. "You're watching the game." Another message appears. "We build the board." Before you can reply, you've been removed from the group, blocked, deleted, gone. A minute later, you get added to a different group chat. The name? Middle Class Discussion. 47,000 unread messages. And the first message says, "Should I wait for the perfect time to start?" Comment what you think was hidden in the billionaire chat and subscribe before you get added to the wrong group too.